Hello dear students, in this video we are going to see various type of problem on logarithm. I had chosen some best problem which clear most of the concept of logarithm, and these questions are also already came in very important exam like JEE, NTSC. So let us see one by one this type of questions. Question number 1, where you must be observed that there are some same term but base is different. So first we will apply change base rule. Change base rule, that is change base rule of logarithm, that is log x base y can be equal to log of x base a by log of y base a. Similarly, in this question we can write denominator as log abc base bc is equal to log of abc. I will choose base as abc only, then divided by log of bc root base abc. So this one become 1 upon log bc root abc, right? And also we can write 1 upon log half of log bc upon abc. So if you write each term, so it is in denominator, so it will come at numerator. 1 upon this will give you the numerator part. So let us see, this becomes, the above question become half of log bc by abc plus half of log ac upon abc base abc plus half of log ab base abc. Take half common and base is same, so we can multiply it. So this will become log abc and bc into ac into ab, that is a square b square c square. Here we applied, since this is the rule, log of x base a plus log of y base a plus log of z base a is equal to, base is same, then the term will get multiplied, x y z base a. So this same rule applied here. Now abc whole square, so whole square 2 by 2, and it becomes log abc by log base abc, and log abc base abc is nothing but 1. This is 2 by 2, that is 1. So 1 is the answer of the above question. This is the correct option. In question 2, we are going to apply two basic formula of logarithm, that is x base log a base x to the power log a base x is equal to a. Number 1. Second, we are going to apply in this question, that is log x base a to the power n, then we will write it directly 1 by n log x base a. So these are the basic formula, and one more we can say, that is log x to the power n base a can be written as n log x base a. So I am going to apply 1, 2, 3 in the above question. So let us see. So this is 2 log 2 to the power 1 by 4, 1 upon 1 by 4. So we can write 4 log a base 2, right? Minus here 3 log 3 cube, base is 27, so 3 cube, and 3 cube is this is can be written as 3, and here I will write 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, and here it will become a square plus 1 power 3. So this power again came here and it will make it 1. So I will remove this power 3 here, and since 3 multiply 1 by 3 will become, so I will multiply it. I will multiply by this power by 3 and it will become what? 3. Next, minus 2a divided by, so here in the numerator I have applied 2 and 3 formula. And similarly in denominator also we can write 7 and log 14, log base 49. So 4 divided by 2, 49 is log 7 square, base 7 square, and become 1 by 2, applying formula number 2, and it will become a minus 1. Now what I will do, I will apply formula number 1 on the above expression. So we will have, see here, a to the power 4, this 4 will go to the power to a, and it will since same base, apply formula 1, we will have a to the power 4 minus, here also power base is same, so we can write directly a square plus 1 minus 2a divided by, so it will be 2 square, so here a square, because 7 base 7, so a square minus a minus 1. So what we will do a to the power 4 minus, we will take common, we will take minus as common, and we have a square plus 1 plus 2a divided by a square minus a minus 1. So here you will get a to the power 4 minus, this is a plus 1 whole square, a plus 1 whole square divided by a square minus a minus 1. So it is a square, I will apply formula of a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So a square plus a plus 1, and another is a square minus a minus 1 divided by a square minus a minus 1. So denominator cancel, and you will have the answer a square plus a plus 1. So I will go to this option, which one option is true, that is D. So this is question number 3. Here we will find the value of expression at when x is equal to minus 2. So we will do, what we will do, we will first substitute the value of x is equal to minus 2, because it will be unconventional steps. If you simplify the expression first, then you will put x is equal to minus 2, right? But here, since x is equal to minus 2, you have to put the x is equal to minus 2 in at first, then we will simplify the logarithm, and then only you will get valid solution, like log 4 minus 2 square 4 upon 4 minus 2 log 4 minus 2 ka power 4, that is minus 2 to the power 4, that is 16 into 16, right? So here it will be log 4 base 1 minus 2, and this is log 464, and this is 4 ka cube, 4, this is 4 cube, and it will give you 0. Log 1 base, any base, that is equal to 0, minus 2 into 3, that is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 is the correct answer. In this question number 4, we are going to solve by using this property, that is log base a is equal to 1, log b base b is equal to 1, and log c base c is equal to 1. So we are using this property in the above equation given in 4. So here you can observe that log a base b, log c base b. So I will write 1 base b log, right, the term which has base b. So I will write log b base b, then it will become plus log a base b plus log c base b. Similarly here base c is there in all the terms, so I will choose base c log term, that is 1 by log c base c plus log a base c plus log b base c plus 1 upon log a base a plus log b base a plus log c base a. So since base are same, you can directly write what, log abc base b plus log, sorry, this is 1 upon log abc base c plus 1 upon log abc base a. So here you will have if you change the base formula, so you will get log b base abc plus log c base abc plus log a base abc, and that is nothing but log abc base abc is equal to 1. So this is the answer is 1. So we can write directly answer 1. D is the correct option. Right. In question number 5, we will find the value of each option and compare. Then only we will come to the solution of this question. So C option A, that is 1 by 4 log 6 base 2. We know that if we make the base same, this will same, then it will become log 6. So what I will, that is 1 by 4 can be written as 2 to the power minus 2, right, 2 to the minus 2 whole to the power log 6 base 2. So power get multiply, so here it will become 2 to the power log 6 minus 2, and here it is base 2, so 6 power minus 2, that is 1 by 36. Option B, 1 by 3, so this is 3 to the power minus 1 to the power log 5 base 3, minus 1 will multiply with this power, so log 5 to the power, that is it will you will directly get 5 to the power minus 1, and it is 1 by 5. C, 3 to the power log minus 2, so log, you can write 2 to the minus 1 base 3, it will become 1 by 2. D, in D, that is 8 to the power minus of, so this is power 1 upon, no, this is like this, minus 1 log 3 base 2, log 3 base 2, and is the power of 8, right. So what is it is 2 to the power 3 into, it will be minus 1 log 2 base 3, right, minus, so we will apply the base change formula over here. It will be like this, 2 to the power 3 into, this will become minus 1, this is log 3 base 2, right, and 3 into minus 1 minus 3 base, so 3 to the power minus 3, that is 1 by 27. And if you compare all the above expression, So 1 by 2 is the greatest positive proper fraction. Greatest positive proper fraction. So answer is C. Thank you for watching this video, and I will try to come with more question of logarithm since we have a limitation of time. So please go through these videos, and if you don't understand the logarithm, then please see my video of logarithm. Thank you.